This diagram shows the architecture of my application. As you see, it is constituted of 5 parts, which are connected with each other by local network. And now, I will introduce them to you one by one. First, I want to introduce the part of service discovery. By considering the self-sustainability and the scalability of my system, I have adopted Genie technology here. Every service in my system is needed to register themselves to the Genie with their attributes, the proxies, interfaces for a certain a certain time. After the registration, the service will be assigned a global service ID from Genie, and the service should renew the leads periodically, or they will be removed from Genie catalog after the expiration of their leads. Besides, the server can access to the Genie and to look up other services which have been registered on Genie by providing their interfaces, attributes, or service ID. And now let's look at the 2 parts in the top of the diagram, the computer and the localization. These 2 parts should be deployed in every room. The part of computer provides services to users such as playing music, and the part of localization serves to locate user. In the part of localization, the Bluetooth AP can sense the badge. When the user enter or leave a room, the Bluetooth receiver will translate the badge ID to a username by accessing the user table, and then generate a enter or leave event to notify the local monitor, and the local monitor will update the user's location in the user location table and deliver the event to the central controller. Now let's turn to the part of computer. Upon the consideration of scalability, I have designed a component, the local service pool, to contain the local services, and the developers can develop more services and plug them into the pool to update the software. And also, this component is used to verify the user permission to access the services in the pool at the runtime. In my prototype application, I just implement one service, the media player, which can play music with the user. And there's another component called local service proxy. It can help local services to register themselves to Genie and help to look up other services from Genie. At last, let's look at the most important part, central controller. Similar to the part computer, the central controller have a controller pool to contain controllers and a service controller proxy to help those controllers to register and leading to Genie, and help them to look up other services from Genie. In my prototype application, I only implement the follow music controller, which can control the music player in different rooms, so that the music can follow around the user from one room to another. Additionally, I designed another 2 components, the knowledge database and the knowledge discovery and mining. Actually, I didn't implement them in my prototype. I designed them to store users' action and deduct their preference and habits to make the controller evolve. Thus, my application will become more intelligent. And this is in the introduction of the architecture of my application. Thank you.